Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will discuss some important questions which are related to your examination. In this series, the first question is, so that every square matrix is uniquely expressible as the sum of symmetric matrix and ISQ symmetric matrix. In this question, something is given. What? Square matrix. It is represented in the form of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix with the operation sum. Now let us consider a square matrix. For solution, let A be a square matrix. According to question, A is equal to sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. A. We write this value 1 by 2 a plus a dash plus 1 by 2 a minus a dash. When we open this value, we get is equal to a. Here a dash is transpose of a. Now we have to prove that first value 1 by 2 a plus a dash is symmetric matrix and second value 1 by 2 a minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. Let us take this value is P and this value is Q. Here P is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash, say, and Q is equal to 1 by 2 a minus a dash, say. Now P is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash. Taking transpose on both sides. Taking transpose on both sides. What we get? We get P dash is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash whole dash. Now P dash is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash whole dash. Since k into a whole dash is equal to k into a dash by the property of transpose matrix. Now you see here 1 by 2 a dash plus a dash whole dash. Since we know that a plus b whole dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. Now 1 by 2 is into a plus here a dash plus a. Since a dash whole dash is equal to a by the property of transpose of a matrix. Here we see this value 1 by 2 a dash plus a. We know that addition is commutative. P dash is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash. It means P dash is equal to P. P dash is equal to P. It means P is a symmetric matrix. By the definition of symmetric matrix, P dash is equal to P. It is clear? Now we have to prove that Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Just same process we will apply. Q is equal to 1 by 2 a minus A dash. Taking transpose on both sides, Q dash 1 by 2 A minus A dash whole dash. We get Q dash is equal to 1 by 2 A minus A dash whole dash. Since K into A whole dash is equal to K into A dash, we know this property. Here 1 by 2 A dash minus A dash whole dash. Since A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash, we also know this property. Now, since A dash whole dash is equal to A, here 1 by 2 A dash minus A, Q dash is equal to. Now, taking minus sign outside of the bracket, minus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This value 1 by 2 A minus A dash is Q. Q symmetric matrix, we know that A dash is equal to minus A. Here we get Q dash is equal to minus Q. It means Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So the representation of A is equal to P plus Q is a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. It is clear? Now we have to prove this value. It is unique value. How can we prove this value? Let us take another value R and S for A. R is symmetric and S is skew symmetric. Then we prove that P is equal to R and Q is equal to S. Then the theorem is clear. Now, taking A is equal to R plus S, where R is a symmetric matrix and S is a skew symmetric matrix. Now taking transpose on both sides, A dash is equal to R plus S whole dash. This is equation first. Here A dash is equal to R dash plus S dash by the property of transpose of a matrix. Now A dash is equal to R plus minus S. Since R dash is equal to R, R is symmetric and S is skew symmetric. S dash is equal to minus S. We get A dash is equal to R minus S. This is equation second. Now adding equation first and second, what we get? Equation first plus equation second. We get R plus R, 2R, S cancel, S cancel, R plus R, 2R, A plus A dash. A plus A dash is equal to 2R, R is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash. It means this value is equal to P. R is equal to P. It means it is unique value. Now equation first minus equation second, we get R cancel, S plus S, 2S, A minus A dash. A minus A dash is equal to 2S. Then S is equal to 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This is, it means skew symmetric matrix is also unique. Hence, the given problem is true. It means a square matrix is uniquely expressible as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Understood? In this way, we have to prove all the questions which are given in this format. Now let us consider next question. If A is equal to, it is given 3 cross 3 matrix in which elements are 1, 1 minus iota, 2 in second row, 1 plus iota, 3 iota in third row, 2 minus iota and 0. Prove that A is a Hermitian matrix. We know that about Hermitian matrix. The conjugate transpose of a matrix is equal to A is called Hermitian matrix. Now we will check this is true. If it is true, then this question is a Hermitian matrix. Otherwise, it is wrong. Taking transpose of this matrix, we get first row in format of first column 1, 1 minus iota, 2. Second row, second column 1 plus iota, 3 iota. Third row, third column 2 minus iota, 0. Now taking conjugate of this matrix, you know about conjugate of a complex number 1, 1 minus iota, 2, 1 plus iota, 3 plus iota, 2 minus iota, 0. This representation A theta. What is this value? Here see, this value is equal to A. It means A theta is equal to A. Hence proved. Understood?